Story Nest.
A brave little frog named Fred, with bright green skin and big curious eyes, stood at the edge of a shimmering pond. Sunlight danced on the water's surface, creating a dazzling spectacle. He took a deep breath, his tiny chest puffing out with determination. With a mighty leap, Fred soared through the air, landing perfectly on a large round lily pad. The pad wobbled slightly, but Fred kept his balance, his webbed feet gripping the slick surface. He surveyed the pond, spotting another lily pad a short distance away. As Fred prepared for his next jump, a friendly dragonfly with iridescent wings hovered nearby. "Hello," buzzed the dragonfly. "Where are you off to, little one?" Fred grinned. "I'm exploring the pond," he exclaimed, before leaping to the next lily pad. On the next lily pad, Fred saw a wise old turtle basking in the sun. The turtle's shell was covered in intricate patterns. "Greetings, young frog," the turtle said slowly. "Enjoy your journey across the water." Fred nodded respectfully and hopped onward. Finally, Fred reached a lily pad, where a group of other small frogs were gathered, chatting and laughing. They welcomed Fred with open arms, eager to hear about his adventures across the sparkling pond. Fred smiled, happy to have made new friends.